Welcome to Tech Research. In this video, we will see if you have iPhone and sometimes you are stuck because of your iPhone storage is full. So that time, how to transfer your iPhone data to external hard drive. It's very simple process. So let's start, and which one is the best I will show you. So my personal opinion, this SanDisk hard drive is one of the best option for your iPhone. So now I just simply connect here. This is the MagSafe SanDisk hard drive and I connect here. This hard drive is comfortable for especially in iPhone and made by iPhone. This is the MagSafe. If you check it, this hard drive is not disturbing. As a demo point of view, I just simply record my iPhone screen as well. So I connected here. If I tap here in the file section, so SanDisk hard drive is displaying here. Some of the folder is available. If you first time user, so that time you need to format this external hard drive in using your phone. How to format? If you press here long, so here erase option is available. You just simply tap. Because of this external hard drive is comfortable for your iPhone, that's why you need to format always first time user. Now we just focus here how to transfer the data, our data. So suppose for example, I just simply go here year wise or month wise or all data, all photos, and I want transfer this photos. So randomly I select these photos here. Look at this, almost I select 500 photos, 544, and you can see how much time I need to transfer for my iPhone to phone. Just simply share here, and here save to option is available. First of all, we need to preparing this one. This is the typical process for iPhone and Apple product to pre-process. I'm guaranteed pre-processing time is greater than for the transferring. Because of this external hard drive, I see first time in entire my life, because of I use multiple external hard drive, and this is one of the fastest hard drive to transfer data to data. And just simply say here save. First time select here which location you want transfer, here SanDisk, and you can create here the photo as well. So I just simply type here as a name demo and say here save. So look at this here, transferring or copy the photo using this process, and it's very fast. Within 1 minute or less than minute, you can transfer multiple or thousands photos through your iPhone to this external hard drive, and this external hard drive comes in 1 terabyte. So I can save much more information there. So we are almost there. The total size of photo 544. So almost all photos is saved. Wait couple of seconds to complete this process. Here top of the screen 3 dots, and the process is going on as a buffering perspective, and boom, less than a minute we transfer 500 photos. Same things, you should transfer the videos as well. So here bottom of the screen some of the videos is available. I just simply transfer those video, and I say here Veer and transfer. So transfer process is going on. Look at this here, the first video is already transferred here, second video is a little bigger, and the same thing process is going on here. Second video is a 5 GB, 5.71 gigabytes, and this process is going on. Third video is 2 GB, fourth video is 1 GB around, and boom, all the data is a transfer. After transferring the data, you can very easily delete these files as well. It's very easy, and this is the one of the best external hard drive to transfer your iPhone data very easily using this process. Afterwards, you can use this external hard drive in your Mac, Windows, or any third-party devices as well. So this is the simple process to transfer your iPhone data to external hard drive. If you have any question related on this video, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.